Hi, my name is Tom Clark, helping Motion Industries deliver brands you count on from people you trust. We invite you to watch and learn about some of our brands you can count on with the goal of helping you with your practical application.
Tribology, the science and engineering of interacting surfaces in relative motion, addressing friction, lubrication, and wear. It's not a word you hear every day, but to Oilless Corporation, it's a way of life. Founded in 1925 by Sozo Kawasaki, Oilless has pioneered the evolution of oilless bearings. After decades of growth, Oilless America Corporation was formed in 1976, becoming an international leader in self-lubricated bearing technology for specialized engineered applications. Today, customary applications of oil-less bearings are evident wherever sliding motions exist. Benefits include maximized production uptime and efficiency, reduced wear and maintenance cost, as no oil is required, and environmentally friendly. Oilless bearings can be found in a large number of industries, including automotive, oil and gas, power generation, construction and agriculture equipment, material handling, and railroads. Let's take a closer look now at what differentiates Oilless Corporation from other bearing manufacturers. To begin, Oilless is a leading expert in the self-lubricating industry. Their expertise in understanding materials allow them to design and manufacture the most effective parts possible. Next, the quality of oilless bearings are second to none, which means unprecedented performance, longevity, and reliability. With this in mind, you can expect a longer life on your equipment and a reduction in wear and tear. Finally, Oilless Corporation takes great pride in providing exceptional support in every aspect of their business. This starts with the experienced sales staff, whose technical knowledge will help define your custom needs. The engineering team will not only design the bearings for your specific application, but will also provide testing and validation support. Next is the manufacturing crew, which takes great pride in producing quality parts on time, every time. And of course, Oilless is ISO 14001 and TS 16949 certified. From their humble beginnings to its current global manufacturing footprint, Oilless Corporation has paved the way to modern-day bearing technology. Oilless Corporation, leading the world in self-lubricating, maintenance-free bearing products.